Good day, class. To begin with our new lesson, let us have a simple activity. So now, before we move on to another topic, let's play a game. The game was entitled Sketch Mo, Hulaan Mo. What are you going is to guess the scrambled letters that written from the crumpled papers. I will play a song, and when you hear that the song had already stopped, the last student who hold the ball of papers, if the music had stopped, she or he will guess the hidden word. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start the game. Miss Stephanie guessed the first word.
This word is measure.
Okay, that is correct. Very good, Miss Stephanie. So, let's continue the song. Oh, Miss Reina, you're the next lucky for today. Now guess the word.
I think the word is position.
That is correct also. Very good, Miss Reina. Okay, Miss Kim, guess the last word.
I guess the last word is decile.
Very good, that is correct. So, okay, that was a great game. Let's give 5 claps for everyone. Okay, what can you say about our activity, Miss Laika?
The activity is fun and exciting, ma'am.
Awesome! Those words are connected and part of our next topic this morning, which is all about measures of position on decile for ungrouped data. For us to be guided in our lesson, let us first have our objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to first state the formula in getting the value of the decile of ungrouped data. Next is analyze the variable that used in the formula. And last is solve problems using the formula of the decile for ungrouped data. So let's move on for our topic for this morning. It's all about deciles. So the deciles are the score points which divided a distribution into 10 equal parts. It can be observed that the decile 5 or 5th decile is also the median of the set of data. The word decile was first used in 1882. It comes from the Latin word decimentem. It means more at 10. To calculate deciles for ungrouped data, first order all the observation according to the magnitudes of the values, then use the following formula for decile. D sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. Again, D sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So for you to better understand, I will give some examples. For the example, given the series 3, 4, 13, 5, 7, 2, 9, 8, and 10, calculate the second decile. So first, to find the decile, we have to arrange the data in order. So it will become 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 13. So n is equal to 9 because n is the total number of data. So we need to use the formula d sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So we need to substitute the given decile or d sub 2 is equal to 2 over 10 times 9 plus 1. So it equals to 2 over 10 times 10 because 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 2 over 10 is times 10 is equal to 20 over 10. So 20 over 10 is equal to 2. So D sub 2 is equal to second position. So the final answer is 3 because the second position of the given data is the number 3. So class, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us try another example. So for the another example, The list below is the scores in the subject of mathematics of the 11 students. So 22, 20, 34, 21, 28, 29, 32, 25, 38, 36, and 39. So find the sixth decile. So again, to find the decile, we need to arrange the data in order. So it will become 20, 21, 22, 25, 28, 29, 32, 34, 36, 38, and 39. So n is equal to 11. So the formula is d sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So we need to substitute the given. So it equal to 6 over 10 times 11 plus 1. So it equals to 72 over 10. So it is 7.2 or 7th position of the data. So d sub 6 is equal to 32. That is the final answer. For the last example, find the value of decile 4 using the given data 4, 9, 20, 1, 17, 21, 15, 18, 19, and 32. So again, to find the decile, we need to arrange the data in order. So it will become 1, 4, 9, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 32. So n is equal to 10. So we need to use the formula d sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So we need to substitute. So decile or d sub 4 is equal to 4 over 10 times 10 plus 1. So 4 over 10 times 10 or times 11 is equal to 44 over 10. So it equals to 4.4 or 4th position. So decile or d sub 4 is equal to 15. 15 is the 4th position of the data. Let's have a simple activity entitled Let's Try to Solve It. So we need to find the decile 5, decile 6, decile 7 given the scores of 15 students in their math quiz. Using the given data 34, 36, 38, 39, 41, 43, 45, 46, 48, and 49. So who wants to solve decile 5? Okay, Miss Ray, answer it on the board. How about decile 6 and decile 7? Okay, Miss Kim and Miss Princess, answer it also on the board. You have 5 minutes to solve it. So, can you explain your answers?
So n is equal to 10 because the given data are 10. So use the formula. So d sub 5 is equal to 5 over 10 times 10 plus 1. So it will become 5 over 10 times 11 is equal to 55 over 10. D sub 5 is equal to 5.5 or 6 position is equal to 43.
Decile 6, n is equal also into 10, so we need to use the formula d sub 6 is equal to 6 over 10 times 10 plus 1 is equal to 6 over 10 times 11. It will become 66 over 10, so d sub 6 is equal to 6.6 or 7th position is equal to 45.
So in getting decile 7, n is equal to 10. We need to use the formula again. Decile 7 or d sub 7 is equal to 7 over 10 times 10 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 10 times 11. It will become 77 over 10. So d sub 7 is equal to 7.7 or 8 position is equal to 48.
Very good! So, give them 10 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. So that's all for this morning. The measure of position on deciles for and group data. I hope you learn and understand in our lesson for today. So goodbye class!
Goodbye, Ma'am.